My life is a movie, so they go and watch and stare and hate on me.
Hi, Blob!
Oh, nah.
They're vandalizing property over here.
Make some noise, that's not easy, y'all!
1, 2, 3. Okay. Vlog, it's Jay Biggie, and we're having a blast right now. I'm officially a city gal. She already got a tattoo. We 21 today. So stay freaking tuned. Yeah! Oh, you have to stop the video. Hold on. Today's Jaden's birthday, and we're going to Cali in 2 days for his 16th, and that's on... Yo, what?
You want to just take them?
You smell the LA air? Yeah. One. It's all like suck. That was so dry. Oh, you been to LA before?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Twice.
What? Don't show off. Don't show off. Don't show
I don't know
off.
what I'm doing. I'm not a camera person. So, but hey, vlog. Hi.
Get your hands off. You keep hitting me and hitting me. I'm done now. I'm done. Oh. This is Roscoe's. This is how they're giving it up. It's bussin'? That's alright.
I don't know.
I got this is called Sunset Lemonade. Let me put my bag here.
This will serve its purpose.
Smells clean though. Smell like Mad Fabuloso. I like Fabuloso. Yeah, really. The pictures look a bit fancier, but
And bigger.
yeah, that too.
Look much bigger.
Dang. I would have bought some shower shoes. Because it looks a little sus.
Huh?
I might have to wear my Birkenstocks in the shower.
Oh, we got pot. Ooh, they're so sweet. Clean stuff. What's in there? Oh, it's locked. Clean stuff.
Why are you crying?
It was water. I drank water. The biggest water drink. I don't know what brand.
Exactly.
Drinking.
How are you doing with a response? So what's Cheyenne's name?
Huh?
Yeah, what is my name?
Toshe?
Toshe.
I'm famous.
Or 161 subscriber famous. Better go on the TikTok. And I'm in love with Benjamin Frank. Oh. You guys are good. We out here. Whose man's is this? They lying. They not selling nothing but dreams. Imagination. I got a beef taco, chicken taco, and a pork and pineapple. I don't know. I'm testing stuff out at this point. Fit, peep the fit.
It's freezing. Cold.
It is. You would think that it would be 100 degrees at this point, but it's okay. Peep the fit. Now we're getting sauce, and here's Kaylin thinking she's something.
Get it?
Okay. Brianna, the official hype man. You know. Oh wait. What we're eating? This is the pork and pineapple. Then I have. It's no space. Chicken and beef.
You want cilantro?
Yeah.
So this is green sauce, and this is...
Yeah, we're eating in the car. And mine has yogurt in it. I'll stick to this.
I don't know about hers.
I like. Wait, trying to record and pay attention
I know,
is.
I'm like, you gotta pay attention, you can't record. Oh, that's...
Okay. Let me see what you got going on, girl.
Go to their Instagram though.
All right, take it. Oh, ooh. Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it up.
Body shaped like a Coke bottle.
Y'all, I'm tired.
We gotta figure out where we going. Help us find the food.
I'm about to go on, what you call it? DoorDash. My phone is 3 seconds from dead.
Why are your phones always dying?
Because it stopped
Yo,
charging.
I hate the smell of nature. Like, it literally smells like wet dog to me.
I'm allergic to it, so.
I need a double band one.
Because looking for salad.
Your waist too small now? Yeah, it'd be like the waist, but then like, what about the fupa? That's what I be trying to target. And
Girl, it's not a fupa. That's where your ovaries is located.
Yeah, that is.
It's never.
That's
going.
where your. That's never gonna go away. That's what.
Never going. I learned
When
that
Caitlin
that's
told me
ovaries.
that, I was like, my ovaries is that big?
I always called it a baby belly.
Yeah, I was like, what? Like when I was smashing it, I was like, why can't? Had nothing to do with anything.
Ovaries has to do with your vagina, don't it? No. Oh. They don't teach much in health. I'll tell you that.
California Chicken Cafe. Yep.
California Chicken Cafe. This is what I got to. 1:45, and I'm taking an exam. So we're possibly about to parasail. Check it out. Oh, baby, when you talk like that. They only parasail on Saturday and Sunday.
I'll do 5:30.
No.
Saturdays and Sundays.
2 hours and a half.
Y'all don't put that on the website?
I don't know if
Hey,
it's on the
Jefferson?
website.
I'm allowing them to go out till 5:30 on the cruise.
Okay. Thank Ghetto. Ghetto. Free Japan massage. I want no free massage from him. I just want to touch on your back. No. It sounds like we're not making it out the hood. Can I see a trick?
Oh my god. Thanks, Kaylee. Over here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Say hi to my vlog.
What's up, vlog? Welcome to Venice Beach. All right, we out here another day. We got this one for New Jersey. What's your name?
Kaylin.
Kaylin. We got Kaylin for New Jersey. We got my boy over here.
I just want to say right now, you got an official spokesperson of Westside Venice Beach
all
right
day,
here.
you know. Big dog shit, you know. We welcome every city, you know. Y'all, what? Y'all, we got battles, but we fuck with the shooters. I got the shooters. You got them on down. Oh, no.
Niggas in car like me, Timberland. Oh, my nigga Scoop me.
This is how Fat Burger's giving it up. I got a bacon cheeseburger, basically. It's good? It's good, are you hungry? To say. We're getting on this helicopter, y'all. Pray for me. This is so cute.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Beverly Hills.
Quick photo shoot out here. Real ones. They giving you angles. Want to change your pose? Y'all change your poses? Do you want to stand?
that what it is?
Yes, I don't like drills.
You don't loud noise. Since a baby, never liked loud noises.
Ain't a drill, fool.
Ain't no drill, fool.
Oh, she's chilling. Okay. Big step up. She's gassed. She's drunk. So we had some liquor and nobody really ate. I asked them where my mask was at. And no one could help me. No one. Yeah, I feel guilty.
No one looked at you.
Because no one can help me. Say hi. Hey!
Oh, now they just
We're at Bossa Nova,
Upside down. You looking at them?
which is Brazilian food. Sorry. Sauteed shrimp and fried plantain, steak pub, beans, mashed potato, beans, no rice. Rice. Oh, rice. Sorry, it looked like mashed potatoes from my camera. What you have here? You already eaten? Girl, she mad hungry. Never mind. Okay. Pasta. She got pasta, spicy pasta, and she got shrimp pasta.
I'm going left. I can't go. Y'all annoying now.
Did you just curse at me? You have never spoken to me like that.
Oh,
ever.
For real. She's not. She needs a drink.
The mommy face.
Basic. Go. Hurry up and go.
Oh, she called you basic.
How you feel?
Yes, she called you basic. Good morning, y'all. What time is it? It's 11:53, and we're on the first drink. On Instagram. Come on, soup tastes like chicken to me.
Dumplings.
Snappies.
Oh my god. Edamame.
This is spider roll. What's this?
I don't know.
I don't even know. Nobody knows.
Okay, here's the list. There's rock and roll, there's firecracker roll, there's spider roll, there's shrimp crunch roll. There's one more. I just don't remember which one. Is that one? Right?
The name.
I don't remember the name. Wherever.
Firecracker roll.
Thank you. Let's roll. Let's wait over here.
What is that? Which one is it?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's your guys roll. Do you
Right. We were supposed to go here, but it was sold out for the rest of June. Some Margaritaville. Down. You know I have a candy addiction, so I'm trying to act like I don't see anything I like.
Swedish Fish World down there.
Where? Nope.
Shirt funded.
Funded by Shein.
Funded.
Funded by, I don't remember. Socks funded by Shein. Shoes funded by Converse.
Bag funded by
Supreme.
She got Supreme
Sweater,
money.
Sweater funded by G-Store.
Oh wait.
It's okay.
Okay.
They left us.
Great. Fun done. Wait. Oh, they legit
So
left.
we just went through TSA, but our flight got delayed 5 hours.
Yeah, can we sit over here? Look, we're not getting on this anytime soon.
Yeah, 5 hours and we're staying there for 15 days. Back home. Did you miss me? Boo Boo Kitty? Absolutely. Did you miss me?
Oh yeah.
I know. But we're back home. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe, share.
yeah.